Welcome back to my channel 1975 Bedford Truck SJ1, where classic engineering meets timeless performance. Today, we're diving into the iconic Bedford Truck SJ1, a vehicle that left a mark in the world of commercial transport. This truck, introduced in the mid-1970s, was built by Bedford Vehicles, a subsidiary of Vauxhall Motors in the United Kingdom. Known for its durability, practicality, and rugged performance, the SJ1 became a favorite in both domestic and international markets. The Bedford SJ series was part of the broader Bedford truck line that had been in production since the 1930s. The SJ1, in particular, represented a step forward in light to medium-duty trucking. It was designed with a balance between strength and affordability, aimed at businesses needing a reliable vehicle for goods transportation without the high costs associated with heavy-duty trucks. The invention of the Bedford SJ1 aligned with a growing need in the post-war era for affordable and versatile commercial vehicles. Its engineering drew from previous models but incorporated a more modern design and better load handling abilities. The truck came with a 3.5-liter or 3.6-liter petrol engine and later included diesel options, depending on market needs. Countries like the UK, Australia, New Zealand, and many in Africa and Asia found great use for this model due to its adaptability to different terrains and climates. Among the countries that used the Bedford SJ1 the most, the United Kingdom stood out as both a primary manufacturer and consumer. However, it gained notable popularity in countries with developing road networks where reliability and ease of maintenance were top priorities. Its simplicity in design meant that repairs could often be carried out even in remote areas with basic tools. The popularity of the SJ1 came not only from its robust construction but also from its long service life. Many are still seen in use today in rural or agricultural settings. The performance of the SJ1 was modest but reliable, with top speeds around 60 to 70 mph depending on the load. It was never built for speed, but for endurance and strength. Its fuel efficiency varied between 15 to 20 miles per gallon, which was reasonable for trucks of that era and size. In terms of capabilities, the SJ1 could carry loads up to 2 to 3 tons depending on the configuration. It was versatile, available in different body types including flatbed, tipper, and box versions, which made it ideal for construction, agriculture, and general transport. Key features included a simple yet solid chassis, rear-wheel drive, manual transmission, and a cab that prioritized function over form. Despite lacking modern comforts, it was appreciated for its ease of use and mechanical honesty. When it comes to pricing, the original SJ1 was competitively priced for its class, making it accessible to small business owners and larger fleets alike. While exact numbers vary by country and condition, restored or well-maintained units today can fetch prices between $3,000 to $10,000 in vintage vehicle markets. The main selling point of the Bedford Truck SJ1 lies in its ruggedness, affordability, and mechanical simplicity. It was built for hard work and it delivered, earning a place in the hearts of drivers and mechanics around the world. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more insights into vintage trucks and classic machines.